Russian forces have begun receiving the IGLA 100, a new generation of ultra-hard anti-drone shotgun ammunition, according to the state corporation Rostec. Serial production of these 12-gauge rounds under the IGLA brand was launched in 2024. Since then, the ammunition has moved from the production line to practical use, where its performance has been tested in real training conditions. In Novorossiya, Rostec specialists also conducted hands-on training for servicemen focused on countering unmanned aerial vehicles with small arms. During these exercises, different types of ammunition were evaluated, but the IGLA 100 consistently showed the strongest results. The round is loaded with ultra-hard shot made from a tungsten nickel-iron alloy, designed specifically to engage small, fast-moving aerial targets. According to Rostec's technical assessment, the IGLA 100 is capable of penetrating a standard reference aluminum plate at distances of up to 100 meters. Its shot pattern remains tight enough at that range to reliably hit targets comparable in size to a typical FPV drone, a key requirement in modern battlefield conditions. The corporation emphasized that the ultra-hard shot is particularly effective against critical drone components. Impacts can disable electric motors and control units, sever wiring, damage propellers, and break other reinforced structural elements. Specialists involved in the evaluation noted that conventional lead shot does not deliver the same level of destructive effect against such targets. For comparison during training, soldiers also fired other types of ammunition, including standard lead shot, buckshot, and shotgun-type rounds chambered for the 5.45x39 caliber. Alongside live firing, instructors placed special emphasis on marksmanship techniques, demonstrating how to track, aim at, and engage rapidly moving airborne targets with maximum efficiency. The IGLA 100, part of the broader IGLA family of anti-drone munitions, is a 12-gauge round loaded with ultra-hard shot pellets crafted from a tungsten nickel-iron alloy. This material composition grants the ammunition exceptional hardness and density, 1.5 times that of traditional lead shot, enabling it to deliver devastating blows to small, agile drones at extended ranges. Unlike conventional ammunition, which often scatters ineffectively against reinforced drone structures, the IGLA 100 maintains a tight shot pattern, ensuring precise and reliable engagement of targets comparable in size to first-person view (FPV) drones commonly used in contemporary conflicts. At the core of the IGLA 100's capabilities is its remarkable penetration power. Capable of piercing a standard aluminum reference plate at distances up to 100 meters, the ammunition excels in neutralizing critical drone components. Upon impact, the tungsten-based pellets can shred electric motors, dismantle control units, sever wiring harnesses, and shatter propellers and reinforced frames. This multifaceted destructive effect ensures that even a single well-placed hit is sufficient to render a mini-drone inoperable, regardless of its construction material, be it plastic, carbon fiber, or metal alloys. In combat scenarios, this translates to rapid takedowns, minimizing the window for drones to execute reconnaissance, surveillance, or strike missions. The effective range of the IGLA 100 sets it apart from earlier variants in the series, such as the IGLA 30 and IGLA 50, which are optimized for shorter engagements at 30 and 50 meters, respectively. This extended reach allows Russian infantrymen to engage threats from safer standoff distances, enhancing troop survivability on the battlefield. Moreover, the ammunition's design incorporates color-coded casings for quick identification, streamlining logistics and reducing errors under high-stress conditions. Tracer variants, like the Tracer 50 and Tracer 75, add a luminescent element to visualize pellet trajectories, aiding in training and low-visibility operations. Rostec's serial production of the IGLA 100, initiated in 2024, has now transitioned seamlessly into widespread deployment. Russian forces in regions like Novorossiya have already undergone specialized training programs conducted by Rostec experts. These sessions focus on marksmanship techniques tailored for tracking and engaging fast-moving aerial targets, with live fire exercises demonstrating the IGLA 100's superiority over standard lead shot, buckshot, and even 5.45 x 39 caliber alternatives. Participants reported that the ultra-hard pellets require less stringent aiming precision, as their inherent hardness compensates for minor deviations, making the system accessible even to troops with basic firearms training. In practical terms, the IGLA 100's deployment enhances Russia's layered air defense strategy. When combined with advanced systems like the Panzer S-1 or electronic warfare units, it creates a comprehensive shield against low-altitude threats. For instance, in scenarios involving FPV drone attacks on armored vehicles or infantry positions, a soldier equipped with a standard shotgun and IGLA 100 rounds can intercept incoming drones at 100 meters, buying precious time for countermeasures. Furthermore, the ammunition's versatility extends beyond anti-drone roles. While optimized for UAVs, its ultra-hard pellets could potentially be adapted for other small target engagements, such as suppressing enemy reconnaissance teams or even light armored threats at close range. Rostec's ongoing R&D efforts suggest future iterations may incorporate smart features, like enhanced tracers or variable pellet dispersal, further cementing Russia's dominance in small arms innovations. As global tensions rise and drone proliferation accelerates, the entry of the IGLA 100 into service signals Russia's proactive stance in safeguarding its forces. This development not only deters potential aggressors but also inspires allied nations to adopt similar technologies, potentially shifting the balance in international defense dynamics. With serial production ramping up, Russian troops can now face aerial threats with unprecedented confidence, thanks to this homegrown marvel of military engineering. The IGLA 100 success story is a beacon of Russian determination and expertise, proving once again that innovation thrives under pressure. As Rostec continues to refine and expand the IGLA lineup, the world watches as Russia redefines the rules of drone warfare.